Thank you, Steve. Paravision is a technology provider of identity AI software. And today I'm going to give you a very quick review of three new Paravision products: liveness detection, age estimation, and deepfake detection. The demos I'm showing you today are internal demos that we use to showcase functionality. It's our partners who provide applications and SaaS services to end users. So let's start off with our 2D liveness detector. The goal of Paravision 2D Liveness was to enable a detector that is accurate and very easy to use. By ease of use, I mean we wanted to provide a passive capture experience to the end user. That means no scripted movements and just natural environmental lighting. Once a suitable pose and illumination is detected, we automatically capture the image, send it to the server for liveness evaluation. As of January 2024, our software was certified at iBeta Level 2 with no errors in judgment of either imposter or bona fide images, and every attempt to use the system was successful. So let me show you how that works. Here you see a live view of my iPhone screen, and I'm going to do an enrollment. I'll start off deliberately off camera, and you can see I'm being prompted to move to the left because I'm off center. If I overcompensate and move to the right, it tells me to move the camera to the right. If I'm too far away, I'm prompted to move it closer. Now I'll move it close to do the final capture. And here you can see I've passed the liveness test. Let me try now with a deliberate spoof. I'm going to switch to the rear-facing camera, and I've got a cutout photo of me there that I'll try to spoof with. There you can see it detected the spoof accurately with a cutout photo. So now I'll move on to our next demo, which is Paravision age estimation. Similar to our 2D liveness detection, age estimation is also based on a single frame analysis sent to the API so that 2D liveness, age estimation, and deepfake detection can all be evaluated in a single API call, reducing code integration complexity and providing operational simplicity. Importantly, age estimation is independent of face matching and the use of personal data, and that enables fully private age detection assurance to support an individual's privacy. For this first release, we've achieved a high accuracy rate with a mean average error of 2.5 years across age groups, sex, and diverse population geographies. So let's take a look at some examples. Our Chief Product Officer, Joey, was kind enough to allow me to show you his pictures at two different ages. Here I'll load up the first age when he was a teenager. And you can see here that we've determined his age to be 16.4 years. He was actually 17 years old when the picture was taken, so we've determined that correctly. Another thing you'll notice is that the liveness indicator says that it's a spoof, and that's actually accurate because this is a picture of a picture. So it passed through two optical paths before we were able to present it here today. Let me bring up another image of him as he is today, a little bit older. Here you can see the liveness and real scores are correct, and his age is determined to be 41.6, which was well within the tolerance of our mean average error of 2.5 years. Now I'd like to turn your attention to the topic of deepfakes. Deepfake creation technology is moving along very fast, and there are many different implementations from face swaps to generated synthetic faces. And we're seeing an alarming increase in identity fraud and misleading video spoofs reported by our customers. In response to our customer requests, we launched Paravision Deepfake Detection. Our current implementation detects deepfakes from identity face swaps or video expression swaps based on a single image or single frames of a video stream. So let's take a look. To detect a deepfake, I first needed to generate one. So here I start with a sample driver's license. And with off-the-shelf software that's available today, I can create a deepfake ID using a single photo that's layered and merged onto the result. For reference, this is the person that I used as the deepfake model. It's remarkable how easy it is to do, and the effect, in my opinion, is stunning. It's difficult for me to discern this fake image from a real one. Notice that the deepfake preserved the watermark and the security marks that are overlaying on top of the image. So now let's go back to our demonstration software to show our detection. I'll go back here, I'll load up the original sample driver's license. And here you can see that once we've uploaded it, we've determined that the image was real, even though there's watermarks and security lines that are overlaid on top. If I now bring in the modified deepfake driver's license, you can see that with high certainty, we've determined that this is a deepfake. For my last demonstration, I want to show you deepfake detection on video that has been generated with face swap, also called identity swap. What you see here is our web UI that we developed for demonstrations that uses our server-side API to process the stream frame by frame for deepfake detection. On the screen, you'll see a green and red box, and on to the right of this, a score that indicates the authentic and deepfake detection. We consider a score above 800 to be authentic, a score below 800 to be a deepfake. I'll go ahead and play the video and the analysis. As you can see, the deepfake detector alert is changing on a frame-by-frame basis, according to our analysis. If I pause right about here, you can see we switched to a different deepfake face. What's remarkable here on the deepfake generation is that as he leans in, the environmental ambient light is still being reflected off of the deepfake face as well as the geometry. Yet we still continue to detect that it's a deepfake, whether it's here or here. Well, with that, I think I've run out of time. For more information, please visit our website at paravision.ai. Thank you.
Thank you, Eric. Everybody, that was Eric Zarakov with Paravision. Reach out to Paravision and start building. You can go to their website at paravision.ai/contact to get your own personalized demo.